Now can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Let's start. Yes. So we have completed 50% of the syllabus, okay? I will send you an email that 50% is done. You have to reply to it, everyone. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So today we will do payment terms with cash discount. Okay, what are payment terms? I think we did payment terms already. What are payment terms? Then today we'll do payment terms with cash discount. Can anyone tell me what are payment terms?
That's a due date of payment, sir.
Say it again.
Due date of payment, like
Due date. Correct. Yes. Payment terms. That is due date. Correct. But what is payment terms with cash discount then? What is payment terms with cash discount? Okay, let's go. So payment terms where there is cash discount, that is cash discount. All right, let's go and see how it works. Everybody can see the screen. Everybody can hear my voice. Yes, let's go. SPRO. First, let me show you something. We go here. Payment terms with cash discount. Yes. Okay. Prasanna, read.
Yeah. Payment terms with cash discount in SAP FICO. Payment terms definition. When an invoice is due for payment, whether the customer vendor can receive a cash discount for paying early. A cash discount is an incentive offered to encourage early payment. For
Okay. What?
example,
Wait. Read this again.
a cash discount is an incentive offered to encourage early payment.
Correct. So basically, we offer a cash discount so that there is an incentive to encourage early payment. That is why we offer cash discount. Yes. All right. Now see, let's see how this is done. Okay. First, let's go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Yes. We'll go to financial accounting, accounts receivable, accounts payable. Then we will go to business transactions. In business transactions, we'll go to incoming invoices, credit memos, maintain terms of payment. Yes, maintain terms of payment. We will go here. Then we'll click on new entries. Yes, we have already maintained a terms of payments. What was that? Anybody remembers?
I think 10 days.
SAN2.
SAN2, right? Okay, today we will do Alekya. So ALE4. ALE4. Yes, this is the terms of payment for today. Yes, we'll give 10% discount. I'll write it 10%. 10% discount if let's say 5 days. If given within 5 days. Otherwise, within 10 days, it's full. Okay, like that. We have to take customer and vendor. Yes. Document date we can take here. And now see payment immediately due net. What happens here? I'll press enter. What does it say? Within 5 days, 10% cash discount. Within 10 days, due net. Clear? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we'll save this. ALE4 is our payment term. Yes, save. Done. Now we'll go back. Now we'll go to BP. What is our vendor? Anybody remembers the vendor number? You have to go back and
4200.
okay, very good. Supplier number, enter here. So you have to select supply number from here and then 4200. Shravya INC is the vendor. We'll go to FLVN01, enter. Then we'll go to purchasing. And payment terms क्या है? What is the payment term here?
ALE4.
So we'll remove this SAN2 ALE4. Yes, we've entered the payment terms. Yes. Then save it. Done. Now we'll go to OBXU. OBXU is a T code. What is that chart of accounts?
INT8.
INT8.
OB16. Always how to check? Go to OB16. Enter your company code and check INT8. Yes, INT8. Now we'll go here. Yes. OBXU will go here. OBXU. INT8. Enter. Yes. Click on posting key. Click on yes. And now, which account we will enter here? Company code APRV. APRV. Yes. So which one should I select from here? Tell me. Anyone? Do we need to create a new GL? Why do we need to create a new GL? Or can we use anyone from this? INT8 is the chart of accounts. Yes. We have to link it to the GL. Which GL we have to link? We have to create a new one or we can use any one of these. Someone please tell me. Hello. Okay. What is the vendor receiving to make the payment? Tell me, what is the vendor receiving to make the payment early?
Goods or stock.
No. Vendor is receiving a cash discount. No.
Cash discount. Yeah.
Okay.
So do we have a cash discount GL? No. We don't have a cash discount GL. So we have to make one. What is the T code to make a GL? What? FS00. Yeah. Now we'll go here.
FB.
SAN1. It is FS00. Okay. Now, which one should I use? Assets, equity, expense, liabilities, revenues. What should I use to create a cash discount GL? We have received the cash discount. No, vendor receives the cash discount. So what can it be?
Liability.
No. Liability is when we have to pay, right? Like for example, accounts payable is liability, right? That is one thing. So that can come in liability. Here we are receiving something. What can it be?
Expense.
Expenses when we purchase something.
Expense.
Expenses when we purchase something. When we give something, rent or purchase, when we buy things, that is purchase.
But here we are giving the
Equity.
discount to the vendor, right? So we
Okay.
are losing some part of the amount.
Okay. But why are we doing that? We are doing that so that we get the payment early. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's check. Cash discount received GL will come under assets, liabilities, revenue. What else is there? Equity,
Equity.
expenses,
Expenses.
or other accounts. Okay. When we talk, Ashutosh, read.
When you talk about cash discount received, the GL account classification depend on whether you are the buyer, accounts payable, or the seller, accounts receivable. The cash discount received AP side revenue, other income. Suppose your company purchased goods worth 1 lakh and the vendor offers 2% discount if paid within 10 days.
Wait.
You pay within 10.
Now wait. First, understand this. When we talk about cash discount received, the GL account classification depends on whether you are the buyer or the seller. Now, we are the buyers. Yes or no? We are the buyers. We are the vendors. Yes or no? Or no? Or are we the sellers? This is happening for vendors or this is happening for customers? Tell me that first.
Vendors.
Vendors. Now, cash discount received for vendors will either go into revenue or other income, revenue or other accounts. Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Now, why we can choose other accounts here? Why can we choose other accounts? Is it like a revenue for us? Is that revenue coming there for every time? Revenue आ रहा है क्या उधर से regularly? Or is it just a
No,
discount?
sir.
Mm.
It's just discount.
Just a discount. So where will it go? It will go in other accounts, other income.
Other income.
Yes. So now we'll go create a GL and our other starts from 6. Yes. Company code is SAN1. Yes. We'll go here. Cash नहीं है, revenue नहीं है, secondary नहीं. This you can go non-cooperative, expense or income. You can select others. You can go here.
Accounts.
Cash discount received. Cash discount received. Yes. Now we'll go to control data. INR. Create bank interest. You can select G064. You can do other account, other cost accounts. Yes, G064. Enter. Then save. Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, yes, we were here, so we'll enter here. We'll go back. SN1. And which one will we enter now here?
Last one, cash discount received.
Correct. Cash discount received. Enter. And then save. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
what is the T code to create vendor invoice?
FB60.
Very good. FB60. First, I want to go to OB57. OB57. And then we will do what? SAN1 now.
Same one.
Is it SAN1 only? Yes, SAN1. See. Let me close all this. Close, 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 close. Yes, we'll go. Vendor is 424200. Wait, first we'll change the company code. SAN1. Vendor is 4200. Yes. Now, we'll take, let's say, 1000. Purchase account debit. Amount 1000. Enter. INR currency. Enter. It's green, right? It's green. Now we'll go to payment. Payment terms. What should we enter as payment terms?
Yes, sir.
Which one? ALE4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ALE4. Press enter. What does it say? 10% discount within 5 days or within 10 days normal payment. Clear? You will see a warning message. Terms of payment to be changed. Please check. Press enter. Yes. And then we can save this. 40005 was posted in the company code. Now, what is the reporting T code for this? For vendor invoices, reporting T code क्या है?
FBL1N.
FBL?
FB3 FBL3N.
FBL3L is for all accounts. Just for vendors?
F FBL1N.
Correct.
1N.
FBL1N. SAN1. Open items we will go. Execute. 400005. Can you see 40005? What does it say?
Not due.
When will it be due?
After 10 days.
Correct. But we have to see that. I want to see that due date. So let me just go here. There is no net due kab hoga. There is no date for that, no? Let me go here. Net due date, net due date, net due date. Wait. Let's check here. Net due date is here, right side. Select this. Make sure it is on the left. Click on the left, this left option. Take it on the left. Now it is there. Net due date is here. Select and copy. See, can you see net due date column has arrived? Now if you go to 4005, this is saying not due. And date is 15 June, which is today. And see, it is due on 25th June, which is after 10 days. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is
Yes.
how cash discount works. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Clear everyone this topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Easy, no? Not that difficult, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.